there, plant enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the wonderful world of St. John's wort, a plant that's as versatile as it is vibrant. St. John's wort, scientifically known as Hypericum perforatum, is not just a pretty face in your garden. This incredible plant is celebrated for its antidepressant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's been a go-to remedy for treating depression, anxiety, and even various skin conditions. Imagine having a natural mood booster right in your backyard. Now let's talk care tips. St. John's wort is pretty low maintenance. It thrives with moderate watering, but giving it a good drink once a week will keep it happy. This plant loves the sunshine. Make sure it basks in full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. As for soil, it prefers well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. Perfect for those who have a knack for gardening or even beginners. St. John's wort grows best during the spring and summer seasons, making these the prime times to watch it flourish. When it comes to harvesting, you'll want to pick the flowers when they're fully open to get the most benefits. In addition to its mental health perks, St. John's wort is also used medicinally for wound healing, nerve pain, and even as a natural remedy for symptoms of menopause. So, why not add a touch of sunshine to your life with St. John's wort? It's like having a tiny therapist and a skincare specialist all in one. Brighten your day the natural way with St. John's wort, your personal ray of sunshine for mind and body.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.